I have a confession. Boop Tape and I have never been friends.
My boy.
Papa, Papa, Papa. In terms of podcasts, I love. Thank you so much. He sees the camera and he wants it. Actually took my ring out before coming. Something has been on my mind that I want to kind of share with you. Can I just kick off this vlog by telling you, I swear I iron all my clothes every single time, but having a newborn baby, nobody talks about how all your ironed things go for a toss. Why has nobody ever talked about that? Hi, hello, and welcome to a new day, a new vlog. What are we doing today? Oh my god, I have 3 step zeros now. What the hell, did I not know I had stock? What? Confused. Can't go a day without applying step 0 on my face. Also, no amount of effort I make with my hair makes it look like I've put effort unless it's fully styled. I have a confession. I feel like I want to go shorter. I feel like I'm stuck in the middle, and I feel like this level of hair, this length of hair needs it to be styled all the time for it to look chic. With long hair, even though it makes you look older, definitely, it has its own beauty. It takes a lot of time to style longer hair compared to this, for sure. I get done with this in under 10 minutes. But I have to admit that that is low effort in a way that if you just leave your hair also sometimes, it is absolutely fine. Whereas, yahan pe de do, please. Whereas with short hair, I have to be a lot more conscious of how I'm keeping it, because it can go from looking chic to messy in literally a second. Okay, what's happening today? There's a lot happening today. Let me start off with saying my hair fall has gotten a little bit better. I said I was going to get to something else. Why am I still talking about hair? There's a lot to be done today. And it needs to start off with just feeling a little bit better. Today I picked out an outfit to wear, not like home clothes t-shirt. I actually picked out an outfit to wear. And then I realized there's still renovation work going on in the house, and there's dust and cement and noise and this and that and workers, and I should probably just chill and wear a t-shirt, which is where we're at right now. What work is going on in the house? There is renovations going on in the house. Today is Friday. So today is exactly the 8th day. I want to say, yeah, I think since the work has started, which is really not bad because they're truly genuinely hurrying it up from their end, which I appreciate so much. I'm gonna let you watch the work about the renovation in a separate makeover video, which I'm very excited about. I'm really excited about stuff that I have lined up. Bolo, kya hua? I'm really excited about stuff that I have lined up all through June, not just from the point of view that the vlogs are gonna be fire, but also from the point of view that just life is going to be so exciting in June. As someone who is currently going through this slow season in her life, I will appreciate all the madness that is headed my way in June. I have relatives flying down from my side of the family and Jerry's side of the family, and they're both staying with us. More on that later, or in the next vlogs, I guess, as we go along. Apart from which, there's 2 weddings, 1 destination wedding from them, 4 birthdays, a couple of other special days in the month, Father's Day being one of them, and 1 exciting event that I'm personally working on that includes you guys. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that everything, inshallah, works out the way I'm hoping and imagining and praying that it really truly does. Apart from this, I feel like I've gotten into a decent rhythm when it comes to home life and work life, which is kind of nice. I'm feeling less so guilty about certain things. There are a few content pieces that I want to film, of course, apart from the live things and vlog things that I have going on that I really want to share with you. Coconut water has been my go-to ride or die this season. I order the real one from Swiggy Instamart. It's the Tetra Pak. None of this is sponsored. I'll end up ordering about 2 or 3 at a time, and we literally go through these in under a week. I'll end up placing 2 of those orders in a week's time. I offer everyone Nariyal Pani because it is so nice and hydrating, and it is so sweet. So yeah, just putting that out there. And I've tried quite a few different brands, or at least one or two different brands apart from the real one, and I think I like the real one the most so far. Okay, what is on my agenda for today? I actually do have a lot of things on my agenda for today. First things first, in an attempt to feel more like I was gonna put on an outfit, right? Oh, I have earrings on. Wow. In an attempt to feel more put together, I was gonna accessorize. Only am I realizing I'm already wearing earrings. Okay, so these ones can go back in the cupboard. Tell me you're sleep deprived without telling me you're sleep deprived. Last night was not my night, it was Jerry's night, but Raphael was crying so much that I woke up anyway, and because I woke up anyway, my sleep is kind of gone for now. 2 nights in a row. Night before last, to mera hi turn tha. Last night, mera nahi tha, but I woke up and every time I would start singing to him through all those screaming, howling cries, which is very rare with him, I have to say. He calmed down. So I guess he just needed mama last night. And then Jerry stayed awake to manage him even after he calmed down. And then because he calmed down, I could go back to sleep at least. And then tonight is my night again. Tonight is actually really exciting. I'll tell you about that later in the day. Otherwise, I'll just tell you everything now, like verbal diarrhea mode. And but that's so me. But for now, I think what I really did want to do is tell you about what I have lined up for the day. An exciting dinner plan, which we'll come to later. I really want to make a birthday bag. This is the shade Delight from the Rare Beauty lip oils. We're sold out of the verified lip oils. If we're back in stock by the time this vlog goes live, I will leave a little text thing over here. If not, I'm sorry. I promise you we're working on it. I don't even have any backup stocks for myself. Can you believe it? I'm literally on the last 2 used ones. One which is in my office, one which is next to my bed. So I literally don't even have backups for myself. Okay, I need to consolidate my thoughts. I'm feeling a little bit chaotic, clearly, with my mind in so many different places. I want to tell you what the agenda for the day properly is. Number one, I need to sort out this side of my storage section, mainly because I have a lot of new PR that has come in and I want to segregate it, maybe post a couple of Instagram stories in support of those brands. We'll figure whether I have enough time to show them in the vlog as well or not. Otherwise, I really hope you're following me on Instagram because I post like a lot of stuff there. There's some stuff I post only on Instagram. There's some stuff I post only on YouTube. So like, if you truly want to keep up with everything going on from my POV, I would request you to please humbly subscribe to the channel as well as come follow me on Instagram. So that's number one. Second is on high priority. I need to put together a little birthday gift bag. It is one of my mom's friend's birthday today, and my mom's friends are going to the new restaurant Scarlet House in Bandra itself. And before they go to Scarlet House, they're all meeting up at my mother's house on top. And I'm fully one of those people that loves to give people gifts, no matter whether they're my friends or my mom's friends or like somebody. So just as long as there's someone I know and I'm really fond of, and I'm really fond of this particular group of my mom's friends. They're all like school friends, and there's a group of about 4 or 5 of them, and they've kept in touch, and they're all just such a lovely bunch of people and just the most kindest, warmest, bravest, strongest women I know, honestly speaking. And it is one of their birthdays today, and I know I'm going to be meeting her because I will go up to wish her when she comes over, and so I want to make sure I have a gift in hand. My idea of gifts is like a little chill beauty bag always, because I have so much PR and so much of it is like really nice, expensive-ish and like premium brands, and I would love to be able to spoil the people in my life and not necessarily keep everything to myself. That doesn't make any sense to me. So I want to make sure, maybe I should do that first, make the beauty bag before I even get to sorting all of that. One of the things that I have ordered that I'm really hoping comes in time, Caprice chocolate wafer sticks. This is nothing in this video is sponsored, I swear. Caprice chocolate wafer sticks from this brand called Papadopoulos. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. I have a special emotional attachment with, because back in the 90s, I'm a 90s baby. I was born in 1991. I turned 34 in June. Alhamdulillah. My Dadaji, my dad's dad, used to get those chocolate wafer sticks for me from America. My whole family lives there. We're amongst the few that actually are still here. Literally my entire family is over there. And so my Dada used to do like 6 months there, 6 months here, 6 months there, 6 months here. And whenever he used to come, he used to get me those particular chocolate wafer sticks. And I've tried so many brands of chocolate wafer sticks. Nothing hits like that particular brand. I will link that particular one for you down below in the description section, because it is just genuinely genuinely that freaking good. If you like nice sweet chocolate, not overpoweringly sweet in a way where you're like yuck, but in a nice way sweet. Like if you like a Ferrero Rocher, the hazelnut zone, the nice chocolate zone, you will love these. And when I was in America actually last year, so many places I have checked for those particular chocolate wafer sticks. I even ended up experimenting with 1 or 2 other brands, but nothing hit the way this one did, like I said. And then someone sent me PR with this in it that made me go online and search for it, and I found it. And I have ordered 5 or 6 boxes since then, out of which I've only eaten 1 box, but I've been gifting it to people because I'm like, it's so good, you have it, have it, have it, have it. So I ordered 4 more boxes yesterday because I said it's just such a nice add-on. Like if you're making a bag for someone, or if you want to give something to someone, or if like, you know, someone's baby comes over, it's just a nice thing if the mother allows to give to the child. Like it's just something casual and chill and just something to have at hand. So when I make her box, I will put beauty product, and I will definitely also put those chocolate wafer sticks if they arrive in time, question mark. And the third very important thing that I know I want to do is I need to try out 2 outfits. One of the outfits with me is an outfit that I've been holding on to for the Vogue Beauty Honors red carpet, which is happening next week. It was originally supposed to happen a couple of weeks ago, but in the event of everything going on in our country, they were really nice to postpone the event, which I thought was a very good move naturally. And I actually never got around to trying the outfit at all, so I definitely have to try that. And there's one more top I ordered from Myntra that I opened while looking for the other item I ordered, which is a bra, which I definitely want to talk about. So I should try that also. So hopefully if it fits, I can keep it, and if it doesn't, I can return it. I ordered 3 things from Myntra, by the way. I ordered this white top, which we'll get to trying. I ordered a new bra, which I'm wearing right now, and it is so nice and surprisingly so comfortable. It is a Zivame bra. I don't know the exact name of the model of the, what am I saying, model of the style. I'll leave a link into it again down below in the description section as well. I wear a size 36C in it, and it is feeling very, very nice and comfortable, I have to say. I am not a colored bra person. I haven't been for many, many years, but that's because of the job. Before I got into content so heavily over the last decade, I used to be a very colorful bra person. But the reason I prefer nude bras all the time is because sometimes I change multiple times a day and stuff, and inside whites or inside certain types of things, you just want to make sure you have like a nice comfy nude bra. So I'm a very simple comfy nude bra kind of girl. Something has been on my mind that I want to kind of share with you. Tell me if it interests you. I want to do a video about rating and reviewing every single Skims item I've purchased. I feel like it'll be a really interesting content piece because they do ship to India, and I have a lot of Skims stuff. Like I have a decent number of Skims things. So I've been meaning to, I have a lot of their lingerie, and then I have a couple of like their fashion pieces as well. So maybe I should do that. I don't know. Let me know. I will be reading your comments. You know, I'm always reading, liking, sharing, and responding to each and every one of your comments. Now that I'm talking about everything that I need to do today, and I haven't even gone through my list. I feel like before I get into the mess itself, since I'm like all showered up and I might get a little bit dusty by the end of this process, maybe I should do the try on of the 2 pieces first. Come. And that way I'm done with like a big, hi sugars. Hi. Hi. My boys are here. My towel has been on my chair. Hi. Hi, Gudda. Hi, Gudda. Say hello. Say hello. You can also say hello, Jerry. Wow, you're just like putting him in the frame. You don't want to say hello? Jerry's ignoring you guys. Oi. Spit. Hi, Wafan. Bas, dikh gaya aapko camera. No, you cannot get the camera. No, Babu. Just, he sees the camera and he wants it. He sees the camera and he wants it. Babu, so much spit. He didn't sleep much, did he? Little bit more nappy. Little bit more of nappy. Bas, he's seen the camera. Jerry's like, tag, you're it. And he's like, he sees the camera and he's mesmerized.
Yeah, what son is he?
I mean, और कुछ दिखता नहीं है क्या? Hello, माँ इधर है, माँ को देख रही है. Yeah, he wants to go at it. Like, he literally wants to go at it.
Say hi guys! This is Raffaello! Who's a very pretty fellow? Who's a little marshmallow? Got a little yellow.
Okay, the boys are gone, and I think I'm going to start with the try-on first. Things first. Let's do it. I can't put myself in this outfit on the internet. I just can't. Not because of anything else, but because I'm bulging from all of the wrong corners. My postpartum body Cannot for the life of me be in this. I don't know what I was thinking while placing this order, in case I haven't thought that out loud, said that to you already. If you are someone with smaller boobs than me, this is going to be so flattering for you. My body is not here yet. Probably hasn't been for a while, even pre-pregnancy, now that I think about it. Sometimes I forget I'm not as skinny as I used to be in my like 20s. Yeah, that's where it's at. I will leave a link into this for you, especially if you're a small size person, small boob size person, maybe even smallish to medium-ish kind of boobs person. My boobs are big. I'm a C cup, sometimes a D cup. And this is not for me. Also, I wouldn't know what bra to wear inside this because my god, I bought fresh set of boob tapes just last week and I was trying to wear it inside a super fitted bodycon bodysuit. And I could not for the life of me figure out how to wear all of that boob tape. Boob tape and I have never been friends. I have tried to be friends with boob tape, but it is what it is. We have not cracked the code on it yet. I feel like I either put too much or I put too little, and then you emphasize the boobs even more. Maybe it's not for someone my size. I don't know. If you've had a good experience with boob tape and you're around my size or bigger, please hit me up, please, and tell me what I'm doing wrong, possibly. Anyway, gonna change into the dress that hopefully fits me. Now I'm wondering if I have done things in the right size. मेरे लिए zip जरा ऊपर खींच दो ना please. ये zip बंद नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से. I hope कि मैंने सही size मंगाया है. Zip नहीं हो रहा ना?
टाइट है, ये टाइट है.
हाँ, लेकिन वो कपड़ा टाइट नहीं लग रहा है मुझे, सिर्फ zip ये लग रहा है. Thank you. Oh no. Chain is bad. Oops. हाँ, ये तो चेन खुल रहा है. मैं उनको भेजती हूँ, बोलती हूँ दूसरा पीस देने को भेजती हूँ. मैं बोलती हूँ मैं अच्छा है ना, लेकिन फिटिंग सही है बाकी का.
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. I had sourced a red outfit from you guys for the Vogue Beauty Honors event, right?
Yeah, I know.
So the event had gotten postponed and I hadn't ended up trying the dress. I'm just in it right now. In fact, I'm just trying it on right now. And it turns out the chain is actually, the whole zip actually is broken. In a sense, when you pull it up, it's not really holding.
What is the timeline that you're looking
The
at?
event is on Monday. This is totally my fault. I just assumed that the dress would fit me because I've worn your clothes before.
Yeah, I'm also very sorry. We also didn't know this happened.
No worries.
So we can do it.
Okay, so what I mean is, this is loose. This zip is fully open somehow. Thank you so much. Okay, she was so sweet. I'm so glad it worked out. I always love working with brands that like are prompt, quick, get shit done, and at the same time like are so good with feedback. They were like, oh my god, sorry, this is a one-off. And I know it's a one-off because I have worn their pieces before and I love their clothes, the materials, things like that. This is not sponsored. Nothing in this video is sponsored. My god, I'm just praising and being honest about a lot of things. I need to change back into my outfit, my actual clothes, my home clothes, and then we will sort the section out. It's my least favorite thing to do.
Who's this pretty girl?
Hi, baby boy. Hi, my baby boy. इसका white. अच्छा ये वाला लाए. सफेद वाला नहीं लाए.
We got another playmat, no?
We already have 2 open play mats. Let's use these and then we'll pull out the third one. The third one is brand new. There's धूल in the house. काम हो रहा है, renovation चल रहा है. नया वाला क्यों खोलने का है अभी ऐसे इसमें?
क्योंकि हमारा नया बेबी है.
हो गया विकास में. है ना?
Just put him in this. It's okay. You're tired. You just put him here. I have to pull out PR. I have to take my Instagram stories. T-Rex with a cup of tea in the hand. Does it look like your t-shirt? Just because it's oversized. Put him here. Let him play. You go rest. I'll handle him. Go give. Come. We'll play. Mama will entertain. You stop staring at the camera, dude.
बिल्कुल वहाँ पे गया है.
यानी और कुछ.
बिल्कुल वहाँ पे गया है.
Coming closer. Sweating and putting sweat on my face also. Give.
कैमरा देखते ही चुप.
Yeah, I swear. Come on, lie down. I'll put you like this so you can still see the camera if you want to, but the camera can't necessarily see.
सामने कैमरा चालू करके रखो.
हाँ, देखो तो.
जो कैमरा ये घुस रहेगा उसको चालू है बंद कर.
देखो तो. Hey, Jerry. Can't throw the napkin like that on him. Come on, Mama. Nini आई है. Are you please? Oh, okay. Have it, take it. ले लो जूस को. नहीं, मेरे को दे दो, रुको. दे दो. ये नहीं, चिल नहीं करेगा. नीनी आई है इसको मैं नीनी कराती हूँ, फिर मैं इसको मैं इसको नीनी कराती हूँ, फिर मैं आके अपना काम करती हूँ, क्योंकि ये तो आज इसके लिए हम रात को सोते हैं राफेल। दिन में मम्मा काम करते, रात को सोते। कब होगा आपका स्केड्यूल हमारे जैसे एडजस्ट, अल्लाह को मालूम।
2000 years later.
Hi, it's a whole lot of time later. I have the goodies sitting over here behind me. I have a little verified bag next to me. If you hear the baby and his toys at the back, sorry, not sorry. It is the reality of my life. I'm glad I made the investment in the mic at the right time. He's refusing to go to sleep. He's fighting his sleep with everything he's got. उसको नहीं सोना, वो खेलता रहेगा, उसको नहीं सोना, उसने ठान के रखा हुआ है कि उसको नहीं सोना. So he's just chilling over there on the other side of the camera, kind of watching what his mother is up to, kind of playing with his toys and making that noise. But I was about to put everything inside the goodie bag. I don't know if everything will fit. So let's see. And I thought I would show you everything I'm putting inside. Now keep in mind, my mom's friend Binny, who I'm about to give all these things to, is a very minimal makeup girly. She has beautiful skin. She takes care of herself. She's a really cool girl actually. She doesn't let me call her auntie. She's actually the only friend of my mother's who I don't call auntie. Yeah, literally the only one. I wouldn't dare to not call anyone auntie. And even with her, I used to call her auntie and she would like scold me. And it's come to a point over the years that she's the only person in that age bracket that I don't call auntie. Okay, so I've got the Love Beauty and Planet Bond Repair Mask. Oh my god, this alone is taking up like half the bag. Should I do 2 bags then? Yeah, I think I should do 2 bags. We've got the Kind Get Even Multi-Active Serum over here. And my bag is almost full. Wow. I'll put the littler things over here then. I've got the highly pigmented, waterproof, smudge-proof lipstick. Yes, baby! The Love Potion from DM Beauty. Thank you. Trying to make space. These Pixie Beauty tinted moisturizing bronzers. Quite nice. Let's put one of them in here. Again, I've gone for everything that's very minimal makeup girly friendly, okay? I've got 2 Benefit products over here. This is their Lip Moisturizing Dewy Lip Tint. And this is a deep treatment mask. This product is such an oily girl friendly product. My god, I cannot praise it enough. I try to get Jerry to use it all the time because once or twice when he has let me put it on him, it has done wonders for his skin, but the guy just doesn't listen to me. Okay, I've repeated some categories and perfectly still the bag is full. Should I go ahead and put double of every category or should I? ये भी Benefit है, ये Claire's है, sunscreen है, ये फिर भी fit हो जाएगा actually. Yeah, cute ना? All the way. Covered a whole lot of categories. So is in musty mode. Okay, there you go. There we have the gift bag ready. I will give this to her later today. बस कैमरा देख के खुश. Let's cue to a time lapse where I really get into everything to do with the PR section because that is the one that I'm kind of dreading. Come. He tries to walk. It's insane. बस कैमरा देखो खुश हो जाओ. इसके लाइफ का मंत्र यही है. हाँ बाबू, मामा, oh Shuggy, my little Shuggy bear, my little cutie bear. He tries to stand. This is him doing it on his own, by the way. I swear, like. I've shown it to the doctor and I've said, Doc, look, he tries to keep standing up and I'm worried that this is like not good for his ankles. And the doctor's like, it's fine. He's a big boy now. Mashallah, he's almost 5 months. Yeah. See, he's trying to get up again. Okay. And I just have to give him support for his weight. And he like with support will like walk a little bit, like move his feet, as you can see. But I don't let him do it for more than like a second. Because I'm worried about the weight on his ankle. So, this is all him. I'm just giving support. I'm not lifting him or anything. इतने छोटे में माशाल्लाह ये करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, but it's not good for your legs, baby. Go slowly. You'll walk, you'll run, inshallah. But just easy, slowly. Relax. Camera excitement. Okay. Shall we do a little bit of Nini? Please, can we do a little bit of Nini? No, Kanna. Your child refuses to sleep. He's just an excited little bunny. Okay, it's almost 6 p.m. and it's a whole lot of time later. I've spent the day being mama. As I told you, Raphael did not get sleep last night. I can literally see dark circles on him, which is really bothering me, and I've been trying to get him down for a nap, but our boy has a mind of his own. Anyway, I've also been supervising the renovation work on the other side of the house. I'm all changed up now. I just thought I would change once and for all. Obviously ignore the home slippers, please. My actual slippers are near the door. And we're gonna go down and get my old laptop back to new. Yep, you heard that right. So if you have been following me for a while and following my vlogs for a while, you know that when I was in California, my laptop basically absolutely randomly overnight stopped working. It died. It went kaput. And the people at Apple in California told me they would charge me $650 to try to fix it with a guarantee that my data would be gone, and then if they would be able to proceed further, the bill would be even bigger. And I was like, fuck, right? That's insane. And I knew that I would get it fixed here for a lot cheaper. It was too big a risk. There was too many expenses that had been made, so I went ahead and got the new laptop unwillingly. The only thing is I didn't want to be in a position where I paid $650 and then I'd have to pay another $20 to $50 for the new laptop. So I sucked it up and I said, okay, I'm gonna pay the $20 to $50, buy the laptop, the new one, the M4 Pro, and then come back to India and fix my old one. Obviously, I'm not gonna go back to using the old one, you guys. One of the laptops at our warehouse is a really old Windows, so this is gonna get moved to that. So there's a little bit of a set off there, but this over here, if you convert between rupees and dollars, just for the sake of the fact that the quote given to me over there was so high, is like a $180-ish job, and they have guaranteed that my data has come back. So I'm about to go to that store to go check it out. Kuch motherboard, kuch IC, kuch something ud gaya hai. I haven't done any glam, no nothing. Literally all I've done is use the Rare Beauty brow gel. I need to come back and get ready because like I told you, we have an exciting dinner today. But I'm all changed up. It's a cash-ish scene. Actually, it's a very cash scene. Why am I saying ish? My boy, he's sleeping. He's sleeping. He's sleeping. Oh my god. Guys, you don't know. He's sleeping. All he needed was for me to say we're going for a walk, and he's... You don't understand the excitement Jerry and I feel when we see him sleeping. Only the parents will relate. Wait, so what should we do? Should we leave him here, Jerry? Are you coming? Should I go on my own? Okay, guys. I want to go to the laptop thing that I just told you about, and I also want to go to see a nice Hollywood style dresser with bulbs. So I need to make that investment because the lights in my studio for beauty content are all over the place. I was really enjoying shooting in natural daylight because it's unfiltered, it's beautiful, it's not lit in a certain way. But I'm realizing that with the monsoons, I'm going to struggle with daylight also, and I should go ahead and either reset all my lights here or just try and make it as fuss free as possible. So I don't know whether I'm going to make the investment or not going to make the investment. I know I should make the investment, but I'm also telling myself, hey, it's all good, you're getting back on track with work, slowly and steadily albeit. So I want to just at least go and take a look at those mirrors with the bulbs and stuff. I've wanted them for so long. I'm interested in putting it up over here in this corner. If it's expensive, I'm going to skip it. If it fits within the 10,000 budget, I guess, then I'm gonna go ahead and take it. That's what I should tell myself. That's what I am kind of telling myself, because if it's a fuss-free thing which is just sitting in one place, I feel like it'll be easier for me to shoot. You know what I mean? Just come sit, switch it on and start shooting. Oh, he's woken up. Yeah, I knew we got happy too soon, dude. And the thing is, I want to try and make it as effortless for me to film as possible. The bigger lights, which I obviously still own and we had in my previous studio and stuff like that. I also had a team that used to manage all of that. I still have all of that in storage over here in the office, but I really don't want to get into using that as much because then again, it'll go into using space. It'll become cluttery. Like it'll become cluttered. Wow, I'm forgetting words. And I feel like the more fuss-free my space is, the better I'm feeling about filming content. So keep my fingers crossed. We'll go check if something fits the budget and is what I'm looking for. We'll go for it. Okay, baby's crying. We're gonna take him for the walk and, you know, bujhao him. You know what I mean. So much pani puri has filled you up that you're doing like that. Is the baby gonna be awake? Is he gonna be asleep?
Awake.
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 I think so too. But my laptop is here. I can't believe we got all the data back. Hi, hello. We are back home. These jeans are a little bit looser for me than they once were. I'm thinking of just wearing them, and I'm about to tell you what is super special about this evening. Okay, so first things first, I told you my mum and her friends are going for Vinny's birthday dinner to Scarlett House. Scarlett House is where I went with my parents for their anniversary dinner. If you have not seen that particular YouTube Shorts video, I will leave it linked in somewhere here or down below, somewhere in there for you. I'm gonna go up and meet Vinny in some time. I'm just waiting for my mom and her to come back from the parlor. I'm realizing as I see myself on screen that this look basically needs a belt. Every time I wear these pair of jeans, they're so comfortable, I forget that I should be wearing a belt. I don't think I have enough nice belts at the moment, so yeah, I feel like maybe that's something I need to get my hands on. I have a box full of belts from my old house somewhere in one of these cupboards. I need to go through them and potentially keep, discard or use the ones that are still working for me. I want to get ready, but I don't really want to get ready. You know what I mean? I just want to do a little bit of concealer, and I actually really want to do the pressed powder from Rare Beauty, which is supposed to be like a beautiful there, not there, compact. Where are you going, bub? Speedy? Oh, you're going to the laptop guy? We just came back from the laptop guy, who by the way fixed my laptop really well. All my data is preserved. He charged me 14,500 rupees, which is really amazing compared to, like I told you, the quote that I received in America. And Jerry's laptop also has a few letters on his keyboard not working very well. Plus, his laptop battery is really screwed up. So this guy said he can fix that too. So Jerry is going back there now. It's really close to our house. So he is going back there now to give him this laptop also. Anyway, like I was saying, it's in the shade Buff, this Rare Beauty pressed powder. The Kulfi concealer is in the shade Extra Elaichi, and all my verified brushes need to be washed. Like I have a lot of sets and I have ruined all of them. Ruined in the sense I've used and used and used and used. I literally only have 4 brushes in here, or 5, and these are at least 50 brushes or something that are not verified. I have this huge brush from Rare Beauty. I have this one which I received in PR recently from Mars, I think, which is a really nice shape actually. It's very dense, but it's also angled, but it's also round. It's a nice hybrid kind of a shade. I have one more Rare Beauty one somewhere in here, which is a nice concealer one, if I remember correctly. Ooh, one sec, dropped my blender. It's also going to go in the wash, so it's okay. Yeah, this Rare Beauty one also is really nice, which is very angled and also again very, very dense. And I have a very nice Huda one, which is this one, which I actually land up using very often to blend the foundation with the liquid blushes up, which is why it has a little bit of pink, coral and bronzer type tones on them, because it's nice to stamp things on. Anyway, I have Step Zero from earlier, so I don't really need to touch that up. My hair is not exactly where I would like for it to be, but I also don't want to sit and style it. Maybe I'll just put some product to tame it down a little bit. I don't know. Let's see. I mentioned about my hair earlier that it's making me kind of want to go even shorter. Tell me what your views are on that. I was talking to my cousin Zoya on video call later today. Later today means earlier today, but later from when I spoke to you last. Hi baby. Hi गुड्डा. कैमरा देखो खुश. देखो कैसा हंस रहा है. क्या बोल रहे हो? कैमरा को देखो कैसे देख रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है खा जाएगा कैमरा को. हाँ, इसके लिए एक छोटू सा नकली कैमरा मैं Amazon से ऑर्डर कर लेती हूँ. खुश हो जाएगा. So I'm doing very, very, very little concealer, guys. If I'll end up getting this mirror thing that I went for, I didn't update you on that, did I? So the guy gave me, kya kar rahe ho? I totally forgot to update you about the mirror thing situation, which is what I got reminded by because I realized I don't know if you can actually see my makeup in this general angle. What I got as an update from there was that first I gave him the size of 4x3, which then with the measure tape I realized was far too big. 4x3, he gave me a quote of around 9,000, which is really not bad. The only issue is that the bulbs are not completely out. They're kind of like recessed in. So I do want to take a quote from 1 or 2 other people. Then when I changed the size from 4x3 to 3x2.5, he made it 3,000 rupees lesser. He gave me a quote of 6,000 rupees, which is really, really not bad. Plus GST obviously on everything, which is really, 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 really not bad at all in my opinion. I have a few other vendors who I have numbers from because when I had posted on stories in October, because that's when I thought I was going to get it done, right? I was supposed to get my house stuff done right after coming back, these Chinu Minu things. I need to, every time I think of it or it comes up, I'm like, oh, Anam, little did you know how your life was gonna go. You didn't know your life was gonna go. And then what happened? Instead of anything else, I got a whole lot of hate on the internet. Some of you are nice people who listen and understand. And I appreciate you and I see you and I love you. And to all those of you who just assumed shit, sorry, I don't want to go down that road, God. It makes me, it's my dukti rag. It hurts me till today because the kind of shit I read in my comments, the kind of shit I got in my DMs was just, sorry, I shouldn't go there. My therapist said I should stay away from thinking about it because it is now behind me. It's past me. We've talked about it enough times. We've cried about it enough times and we must move on. Anyway, my point is that I do have numbers of other vendors also that were sent to me by a bunch of people back in October. Tech tip. Make sure you star all of your important messages on WhatsApp, which is how I'll end up finding really old stuff, no matter how old it is, really important stuff. And I'm glad that I have all those Mirror Guys numbers kind of starred in my WhatsApp. I called one of them today, but he didn't answer. So tomorrow I'm going to sit and call 3-4 more of them and try and get quotes because I have around 7-8 more numbers. And then I'll compare quotes and then we will see who we are going ahead and giving our business to. Yeah, let's go ahead and see how Buff does on the skin. I know it's a good match because I had swatched it, but I hadn't applied it everywhere. You know what I mean? I really have been meaning to do like a new in makeup YouTube video, like a long one, but I'll do one as soon as I get this mirror bulb situation sorted. I think I've just been procrastinating on it because I'm like, are people even watching that on YouTube these days? I feel like people are watching like podcasts, interesting show concepts, vlogs for sure, wedding content. I watch a lot of tech content. In terms of podcasts, I love the Pretty Basic podcast with Alicia and Remy. I've recently started properly watching the Basically Unfiltered one with them and the boys. It's come and go for me. Like the Basically Unfiltered one is a little bit okay, chill, cool, but Pretty Basic I quite like. In India, I love the Nikhil Kamath podcast. I also really enjoy, since my 3rd trimester of pregnancy, I've also started watching MOS, Moment of Silence podcast with Naina and Sakshi. I really enjoy their podcast also. I think it's so cool and so fun. I want to go back to my podcast, which has been a little bit of an up and down. Like the first season was in 2023, 2024 with my health, with my pregnancy. I took a break and I really want to get back to it in 2025, but there's a lot of variables going on the back burner and I just want to try and figure out everything that I can do and everything that I have bandwidth for, because with Verified, with the baby, with content, with being my own editor and my own everything at the moment, just want to kind of figure where I am. Yeah, this is kind of nice. It's very natural. There's zero coverage. It's just a little bit more matte. I'm sorry, this lighting is very, very, very bad for me being able to show you something beauty, and the sun has set, so I don't think I can give it to you from this angle either. I need like my lights in place and I really want to get that mirror thing done. Should be my motivation actually to get everything in place. I'm just going to do a little bit of glam, nothing you haven't seen before, and see you in a bit. Otherwise, I just won't stop talking. I'll keep talking if the camera is rolling. Okay, I have my camera in my little clutch over here that says love. I genuinely don't remember where this is from. I want to say I got it in PR like years ago and I just held on to it because it's so cute. We gave Winnie the bag. I had to rush back down because Rafa got a little bit like sleepy, cranky. It is a sleepy time. I was with him for some time and now Jerry's taken him for a shower and I'm about to go up, check with my dad if we're ready to leave. Might get 10 minutes with my mom and her friends. This is my OOTD. Let's go. I'm going to tell you where we're going in the car. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten. Okay, literally, Papa and I are here for seafood boil. It is date night with my daddy. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. I'm super soft, so he can't hear me. Papa, say hi. Papa, Papa. Papa, say hi to the camera. I'm so soft because I'm feeling conscious of vlogging with the camera in my hand. I got some snippets on my phone. Guys, I am like salivating all over this menu. This is taking me back to boiling crab. This is gonna be a hella special meal. This is not invited, nothing. Like this is not hosted, PR sponsored, absolutely nothing. My chachi, the same chachi from California, actually saw a reel on my phone, on her Instagram, and sent that over to me. And so we were like, like, we have to come. Okay, I'm feeling a little bit conscious. Actually took my ring out before coming because I was like, the gloves are here. We're gonna go ham in a bit. I should not keep my ring on. Oh my god, the way we've hammered this, guys. I need to get home and do a debrief of this meal. It's that good. You know, a meal is a good one when I have to come back in and debrief what it was all about. Yep, my son agrees. I mean, that meal was absolutely amazing. If you live in Bombay or are coming to Bombay and you're a seafood lover, keep in mind that they do these seafood boils on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays. It was 2,500 for 2 people, plus taxes obviously, and it was worth every single rupee. My son, Rafael, I don't know if you can hear him right now, is getting excited at the sound of it. He is going to have it when he can eat, I promise you. This is something that I can see myself going back to at least once a month. I'm so glad to have an Indian masaledar option for a good seafood boil. I mean, the Boiling Crab in America is one of my favorite restaurants in the whole wide world. Not me salivating while talking about it, but I'm so glad to have a desi masaledar Kolhapuri masala option. I loved it so much that that entire mini balti of masala that they gave us, I got it back home to have my cook taste it. Because I'm like, can you help decode this? And I'm really hoping she will be able to do that. Okay, that's all for this video. It's been a nice long one. Okay, I need your help and I need you to tell me if you genuinely want to see more daily vlogs because June is about to be poppin'. If you made it so far into the video, the secret code for today's video is poppin'. Okay, I'm gonna go back to him now. Bye. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.